Let's go over how to manage your team and customers in QuickBooks Time. We'll cover how to add your team, set up groups and managers, and add customers and jobs for your team to track time against. Note that if you integrate with a compatible payroll or accounting software like QuickBooks Online Payroll, you can import team members and customers directly into QuickBooks Time. If not, you can add them manually, like we cover here. Add your team members into QuickBooks Time so they can start tracking their time. First, go to My Team, then select from the options in the Add Team Members drop-down. You can add a team member by sharing a QR code. Note that this feature is not available for accounts integrated with another product. You can add team members by importing from your accounting software or from a CSV spreadsheet. You can merge team members if they have duplicate records. Select Merge Team Members. You can merge team members if they have duplicate records. Select the records to merge, then select Merge. You can also add a new QuickBooks employee from here. To make any changes to a team member's role permissions, you can go to QuickBooks User Management here. You can add your team members manually by selecting this option. You can also send invitations to add your team members. Fill out the team member's information and select Invite Team Member here. You can invite them later if needed. To customize a team member's permissions and other details, in My Team, select a team member to open their details. Select Permissions and make your changes. Select Save for the changes you make in each available tab. You can also set up groups and managers. A group manager can manage and approve their group's timesheets, track time for their group in the mobile app, and more. First, make sure all managers are entered as team members. Then, in My Team, select Groups and Managers. Select Add Group, enter a name, and select Save. This name could be based on something like geographical location or job function. To add a manager, in Groups and Managers, select Managers. Enter the manager's name and select Add. You can add multiple managers to one group, and one manager can manage multiple groups. Once you're done, select Close. To assign a team member to that group, in My Team, select a team member. In the General section, select a group from the Group drop-down, then Save. A team member can only be a part of one group. Now it's time to add your customers and jobs. These will appear on a time clock for your team members to track their time against. First, go to Customers and select Add. Enter the customer name and a street address if you use nearby jobs or geofencing. Select Save. You can also add sub-customers or sub-jobs. Select the plus icon to the right of the top-level customer under which you want to place the sub-level job. Enter the name of the sub-customer or job. Enter the other details as required and select Save. That's it. Now you know how to manage your team members, groups, and customers in QuickBooks Time.